All right, guys, I am going to show you how to work a couple of the problems on lesson 12 single percent problems. Remember that these are the ones that you are actually going to be graded on. So you are going to want to work well, I want you to work a lot of these on your own, but I will give you some examples to start with so that you can understand how they work. All right, number one remember this is solving percents or solving problems involving a single percent. All right, number one said Jason has 120 pieces of art and he puts 5% of them in an art show. How many pieces does he put in the art show? Well, what you want to know from number one is what is 5% of the 120 that he has? So you're going to say, what is 5% of 120? Just like we worked those problems before. And remember the what is what we're looking for. So let's just make that an X right there. Is equals, we change our percent to a decimal. So it's going to be 0.05. And it's 0.05 because we move our decimal 2 places to the left. The word of means times. And then we have 120. Don't let the X on the other side confuse you with the X that we're using for the times. Right? And we only have a multiplication problem to do. X equals, and let's get our calculator. And we have 120 times 0.05, and that is equal to 6. So that means that they put 6 pieces of art into the show. So you just put your number 6 right there. All right, let's look at number 2. Let's change the color. Let's make it green. Okay. Problem 2. All right. It says, Mary buys a laptop that originally cost $1,340. It is on sale for 15% off. All right. Well, there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can say $1,340, not 41,000, silly, $1,340, and you want to find out what 15% of that is. Well, so that means that you would multiply it times the percentage, 0.15, because 15% changes to 0.15. Now, if we find that, we can find out how much it was discounted. So let's go here. And it is $1,340 times 0.015. And that is equal to, it's wrong. I got 0 happy there. Let's do it again. 1,340 times 0.15. There we go. And that is $201. So she's going to save $201. So to find out the total amount she paid, we're going to take $1,340 minus $201, and we will find out how much she paid. So let's clear this out. $1,340 minus $201 equals $1,139. $1,139 is what she actually pays for it. Now, just so you know, there's another way that you can do that. If it's on sale for 15% off, that means she's going to pay 100% minus 15% of the price. So you could do it this way. You could say 100% minus 15% equals, well, what's 100 minus 15? 100 minus 15, that leaves you with 85%. So she's actually going to only pay 85% of the price. So if we take the original price, $1,340, and we multiply that times 85%, we will find out how much it is. Well, let's see. 1,340 times 0.85. When we work that out, we should come out with the same number we did when we found 15% and then subtract it. So let's see, 1,340 times 0.85, and that is equal to 1,139. So we got the same amount. You may choose which way you do problems like that. It does not matter to me. You are welcome to do them either by finding the part off and then subtracting, or finding the actual amount they paid and only doing the one multiplication problem. But that is your choice. All right, we're going to look at one more problem on here, and then I'm going to stop the video because you will be working these on your own after that. All right, here's problem 3. Let's make it a new color. Let's go with, I don't know, what do we want? Blue? There we go. All right, problem 3. It says Libby takes a test that has a total possible score of 800. Each question is worth the same number of points. If she misses 3% of the questions, what is her score? Well, we have the total possible, which is equal to 800. She misses 3%. She misses 3%. So how many did she get correct? Well, 100% minus 3% would be 97%. So she got 97% of it correct. But we don't know how many problems that is on her score. We're not talking about a grade, we're talking about a score. The total score could have been 800. So we need to find out what 97% of 800 is. So 97% of 800 is, and we don't know. So we're going to make that X. Okay. So we've got 0.97. Remember, we moved our decimal 2 places to the right, times 800. And then is equals. So let's get our calculator. And then we got 0.97 times 800, 776. So her score is 776. Now, there are a few more problems on this page and the next page after it. Set them up. Make sure that you're writing down the important information and solve these problems. You need to watch the video or finish the video first. After you finish the video, you can go back and you can open the document if you like.